Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming versions. Unity and the VRChat SDK must match the build target. Once done, back up the entire project so you can revert if something breaks. Next, use the project window search to locate the prefab asset or any duplicate names. Missing prefab often means the asset or meta went missing. Make sure to toggle Hidden and Packages views and check for console warnings that hint at where Unity expects that asset to be. If the prefab exists but references are broken, re-import the specific folder or do a targeted re-import all to restore. Meta associations. Once done, open the scene and inspect missing slots and components. Drag the proper prefab from project into each slot to rewire references. If the prefab was deleted, recreate the game object hierarchy, add the required components, and then use apply to create a fresh prefab. This preserves. To finish, run a build or the VRChat SDK upload validation to expose any remaining compile errors or GUID mismatches. Make sure to fix script compile errors and reassign any assets flagged by the validator, then attempt a test upload. If problems persist, compare. Meta files and the library folder against your backup or version control branch conflicting. Meta GUID are a common culprit. As a troubleshooting tip, revert only the asset folder and its meta from backup to minimize side effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.